Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to easily translate any module into your desired language using the Odoo AI translation module from Unitsoft. Let's start by installing the translation module. Configure the module by entering the name of the current token model to ensure ChatGPT works correctly. Go to the translation form via the Translations menu in the settings. The translation module allows you to quickly and conveniently manage translations of your website pages. Select the website for which you want to create a translation, or choose all available ones. Select one or more languages for translating your content. Choose the content type and specific pages you want to translate. Configure additional settings such as translation context, creativity, and focus level. Enable the Translate Empty Only option to focus on untranslated text. Click the Translate button to start the process. All text strings are available for viewing and editing. You can add or correct translations manually. Upload the changes to the database to save your translations. Your translations have been successfully saved and are ready to use. View the completed translation of your web page.